Good morning, honey. How did you sleep? Oh, good. I asked the owls to be a little quieter last night. Are you finished with the paper? Is there anything good? I have to focus on what's working in the world. I just can't read the front page at all. Oh, good. Something on page 10 about me? Oh, fantastic. Oh, I don't see it. Oh, there, down at the very bottom. Typical. Well, oh my goodness. Landmark case. Ecuador court upholds Universal Declaration for Rights of, Mother Earth. Global Alliance for the Rights of Nature and the Pachamama Alliance. Oh, I love them. Lynn Twist and Bill, you know, that nice couple that started out working with the indigenous tribes in Ecuador, they're doing a good job. I love them. They got together and are praising the first successful case of the rights of nature in Ecuador and congratulating Richard Wheeler and Eleanor Huddle. I don't think I've met them yet. The two people who demanded the observance of the rights of nature protected in Article 71 of the Ecuadorian Constitution. Oh, you remember, in 2006, they started rewriting the Constitution in Ecuador, and all the people got together with the Pachamama Alliance and Fundación Pachamama, and all these savvy people got together and helped them to rewrite their whole Constitution. And they decided they were going to include legal rights for nature. Never been done before. Everybody's talking about it. So, what happened? Okay. At the Provincial Court of Justice in Loja, which is a town I heard that's down in southern Ecuador next to that nice river, you know, the Vilcabamba. She's quiet and pretty, never says much. They started dumping sand and whole trees and all kinds of silt and gravel into her water over 3 full years. Made her so upset. What happened was her banks got narrowed to half their normal size. Now normally that'd be a wonderful thing, right? She would have been so pleased. But she had the same amount of energy and water flowing through her, so everything was flowing twice as fast. She thought she was losing her mind. All kinds of flooding and devastation down at the lower part of her, you know, regions. She thought she was having all kinds of problems. Turned out it was the people that were dumping all kinds of debris into her. Well, thank heaven, because now we know what to do about it. So, oh look, it says that Richard and Eleanor appeared before the Provincial Justice Court in March and presented a constitutional injunction in favor of nature and in particular in favor of the Vilcabamba. Thank heaven she's getting some help. And against the Provincial Government of Loja. They didn't do an environmental impact study. Well, that is absolutely amazing. Richard and Eleanor, my heroes. They're going to make sure in the future that they do not only environmental impact studies, but just because someone owns a forest or the land around a river doesn't mean they can do anything they want. They have to say that it's okay, and they have to do studies to prove it. I know, it's amazing. So there's more. Let me read you. We've been waiting for this forever, you know. The Universal Declaration for the Rights of Mother Earth. I get to have rights. We, the peoples and nations of Earth, considering that we are all part of Mother Earth, I'm going to cry, an indivisible, living community of interrelated and interdependent beings with a common destiny. Oh yes, gratefully acknowledging that Mother Earth is the source of life, nourishment, and learning, and provides everything we need to live well. recognizing that the capitalist system and all forms of depredation, exploitation, abuse, and contamination have caused great destruction, degradation, and disruption of Mother Earth. Well, yes, that's true. Putting life as we know it today at risk through phenomena such as climate change. You know, I told those people it wasn't just hot flashes. Convinced that in an interdependent living community, it is not possible to recognize the rights of only human beings without causing an imbalance on Mother Earth. Affirming that to guarantee human rights, it is necessary to recognize and defend the rights of Mother Earth and all beings in her, and that there are existing cultures, practices, and laws to do so. Oh, thank heaven, because I love humans. We have to work together on this. Conscious of the urgency, about time, of taking decisive collective action to transform structures and systems that cause climate change and other threats to Mother Earth, proclaim this universal declaration of the rights of Mother Earth and call on all humans to establish standards and principles and teachings to spread the word and make sure that aspects of nature are protected and allowed to live. Oh, Papa, this is amazing. They go on to some really specific aspects of it. I won't bore you with all of it. You've got the attention span of a gnat. But I'll just say that Mother Earth, in this article, actually is defined as a living being. Well, thank you very much. Yes, I am. And is unique, indivisible, self-regulating community of interrelated beings that sustains, contains, and reproduces all beings. I'm not going to get a big ego, but that sounds really good to me. Each being is defined by its relationships as an integral part of Mother Earth. And it defines all the ways they have to protect all these interrelated beings as part of me. Oh my gosh. Well, that's fantastic. Well, I have to go. I'm going to send a double rainbow to those two heroes, Richard and Eleanor, and I have to go check on the bees. You have a good day, sweetheart. I'll see you later.